Welcome to another episode of the Wild Scandinavian Cooking. This time we're in Greek on KOS, a beautiful island with stunning nature and a lot of things to explore. I found a place in the mountains to set up my tent and use it as my base camp while I'm exploring the island on my quad. Let's get into the action. What an incredible view last night and this morning. Now I'm meeting up with some of the locals and we're going out spearfishing. We're out with the local fishermen, setting up the nets for the night. All the fishes that we're gonna catch, we will cook them up tomorrow. It's pretty exciting. And it's really a rough sea out here sometimes. Let's make some dinner. This is our Greek fish pizza. Amazing mountains, and we found a salt lake with hundreds of flamingo. Unbelievable nature. Now I know why they took me on board. So they have to have one dumb guy to sit there and pull them all out of the net. And that's me. We went wild on the road and on the water, and now it's time to cook up all the nice food that we have collected. The quality of the products is really good, and we have cooked it all up with a view. What more do you need? It's such a unique island, and I'm definitely coming back.